Hey, what's up guys, Harry here. So this video we're gonna take a look at another wireless microphone. It's the FIFINE K037. Let's just give you guys a little bit quick unboxing here.
So out of the box, you will have some user manual along with documentations, your transmitter, a lavalier microphone, a receiver, and two sets of batteries. One is AAA batteries, another one is AA battery. This is easy. You just have the AAA batteries goes into the receiver, the AA battery goes into the transmitter.
The design of this is pretty simple, just plastic. So this is only a budget wireless microphone. This one has the 6.3mm jack, so we're gonna need an adapter for this. Fortunately here I have an adapter, so basically I'm just plug this in. I have 3.5mm jacks to use on my camera here, because I think this one is mostly designed mainly purpose for commercial use, maybe for like events, meetings, something. If you have professional sound equipment, then you can just plug this in. Because usually the more professional sound equipments they're using the 6.3, not the 3.5. Okay.
Now from there to over here,
that's about 25 feet, 7.8 meters.
From here to where the camera is
about another like 2 meters.
So total about like 10 meters or so.
Well, the manufacturer states this wireless microphone has capable or reliable range up to 15 meters. It should be totally capable to have a strong signals if I'm just going to walk around in my backyard, and I'm also going to walk around the house. The camera will be stayed at my backyard, and I will walk to the front of my house and maybe to the street to test what's exactly the reliable range that this thing can do. Okay, so as you see, I've connected the microphone to this here, and I just do this. Okay, another thing I want to say is there's a button on top of here. So this button is used to change the frequency. Okay, there's a different frequency channel you can choose. So basically right now I'm at the 566. If I want to change it, I can change it, and mainly it's due to if you are in environment, maybe some other device have same frequency, so you don't want to be interrupted, so you can change it to a different sequence. Okay, so and the receiver should be automatic pick up this frequency and connect this microphone. All right, let's go. So I'm very confident this should be very okay. Should have a very strong signal because there's nothing blocks between me and the camera here right now, right? So you see me walking towards this way. This is all within like 15-12 meters range, within 50 feet if you're in States, and yeah, I'm pretty good just walking. Yeah, I'm just walking by myself here. Haha. Ha. So boring. Hello, what's up? Anyway, so I'm sure this is okay. So testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. So that for sure it's gonna be okay. All right, so I'm gonna leave the camera maybe here. All right. So I'm gonna go to the front of my house. This time it's definitely going to be out of 10-meter range. Out of 10 meters. Oh, the flowers here, nice. And now it should be around 15 meters, I guess. About 15 meters, yeah. So here I'm in front of my house. My house stands between the camera and me here. And this is already out of the 15-meter range for sure. The only thing stand between me is the fence. That should be okay because there's not really a big building stand between me and the microphone, and I'm expecting there is signal. So if I was going to maybe walk to here, so the front entrance of my home, then I'm pretty sure there's no signal, but if there is, I'm gonna be so surprised. Okay, so back to office now. So I just checked the footage over there. Actually, I was surprised. This thing actually hold up for the range test. When I was in front of my house at the entrance there, the camera's totally back there. It all records my voice. That's good. I'm very happy with this. That's the receiver here. Also have, you know, external extra antenna here to stop the signal connection. This is definitely gonna hold you 15 meters or 50 feet. The camera's over there. Okay, I'm on the street here. There's a park. I can walk to the park. There's elementary schools maybe. But let's try. Still gonna keep saying things. And yeah, fortunately there's nothing interference me in between. Yep, I think I got a surprise by the first try, so I have so much confidence on this one. And it makes me walk about 100 meters away from my house, and then turns out there's no sound. I think the signal cut off about like 20 to 30 meters away from my house, and that's pretty much it. Alright, so I'm back to my house, back to in front of my house now. What a trip here, hey? The potential of this one is very good for using in commercial use, like events or maybe on stage speaking, something like that. The reason why I'm saying it is because you are not going to use this on your camera, like if you're a vloggers. Vlogging's probably no, because this thing is too big. You have to stick it. Pretty sure all the camera doesn't have 6.3 jack, so you have to use a adapter like this, and there's no way for you to place this thing because you cannot put this thing on the hot shoe or the cold shoe mount. That's why I'm saying the only reason to use this is because for a commercial, like a meeting, like event, speakers want to speak in front of the audience. So this thing can be plugged into the audio equipment. There's one more thing I want to talk about. This is, although there's no LED indicator lights on the transmitter to show you if you're connected with the receiver or not, but there is LED light on the receiver to show you that status. But interesting part is, if you notice that when the receiver connects to the transmitter, it shows in red color. When it's not connected, it shows in green color. And usually that's in North American standards, we see green color as okay, red color as not okay, but in this case, it's the opposite. So red color is good, green color, not good. As of the sound quality, for sure, obviously, if you are going to use this as your video production equipment or audio recording device, I'm going to do is I'm going to compare this one with the Boya WM5. So you guys can see the difference between these two. Okay, so now this is the FIFINE K037 wireless microphone. This is how it sounds like. Testing 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now I'm using the Boya WM5 wireless microphone. And this is how it sounds like. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Okay, now another comparison is using the Rode Video Micro, and maybe you can compare the Rode Video Micro qualities with the lavalier microphone here. Okay, so now this is the FIFINE K037 wireless microphone. This is how it sounds like. Testing 1, 2, 3. Alright, this is how the Rode Video Micro sounds like. So if I close up like here, so this is how it sounds like. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. So now you have heard the sound quality difference. What do you guys think? Should you use this for your video productions, or maybe you can use this for if you are event planners or you are hosting events or meetings, you can considering this. For the price wise, right now on Amazon.ca in Canada, this thing sells at $45.99 or $46. If you are in the States, this thing on Amazon.com is about $30. What do you guys think about this one? Let me know, comment below. I'll put a link in the description below, so if you guys are interested. I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, please hit that like button. If you don't, the button's down there. Considering to subscribe my channel if you haven't done so. Thank you guys very much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Cheers guys.